That is the secret. How to attract more by increasing your vibrations, making your magnetism more powerful. This is the Vedic secret. This is the Vedic law of attraction. Everything is prasad from divine. So learn to raise your vibration. Hari Om Shri Matre Namaha. So today I'm sitting in the garden, enjoying the nature, and it's a very beautiful place. And so I just want to convey a small message to you. Now the whole world is running behind, what you call as the law of attraction, the theory of attracting the wealth. How I can attract wealth? I'm a magnet. I attract wealth. All these things, people think, what you think, you become everything. So this is very common, and nowadays it's become, every Tom, Dick and Harry talks about, see, I'm attracting wealth, I am the magnet attracting all this positivity, visualize, 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 you will get it, fine. I understand you will get what you visualize, definitely yes. But now, think of the magnet, right? We have a magnet which is stuck on our refrigerators. That's also a magnet. And take that magnet, you put a pin onto it, a safety pin, it will attract, definitely. Some you put up to 10 safety pins, it will attract. After 10 safety pins, it will drop off, it will not attract. So that's also a magnet, okay? And same way, you have huge magnets in between which a turbine is rotating, an enormous amount of electricity is produced. That's also a magnet. So which magnet is powerful? The magnet which is used in turbines is powerful, or your fridge magnet? Which attraction will be more? How to convert yourself from the fridge magnet to the magnet which is huge, which attracts more? There lies the secret, my dear. That is the secret. How to attract more by increasing your vibrations, making your magnetism more powerful. See, there is a huge hill on top of which you find a small light, and you're standing at the foothill and looking at the light. Wow, I'm attracting the light. Suppose you climb up and go near the light, you will feel more of the presence of the light, and you can enjoy the light more powerfully. This is the Vedic secret. This is the Vedic law of attraction. Law of attraction has never been new to our Dharma. See, this country, this Sanatana Dharma has always welcomed Mahalakshmi. See the verses from Sri Sukta. Hiranyavarnam harinim suvarnarajatasrajam chandram hiranmayal lakshmin jatavedo ma avaha. What a beautiful verse, Hiranyavarnam. The first visualization itself is golden color. Lakshmi, Hiranyavarnam, Harinim. So you visualize Harinim, that is golden hue, you visualize Mahalakshmi. Suvarna Rajatasrajam, glittering in the color of gold. Chandram Hiranmayil, now you are invoking the powerful vibration of Chandra. See, all of you know the sun is there, the moon is there. The sun and the moon are the ones who decide the time. And also, see, because of the sun's gravity, the earth is rotating around. Because of the earth's gravity, moon is revolving, and everything is held by the sun. So, the greatest magnet is the sun. The greatest magnet is the earth, the greatest magnet, sun, earth, and of course the moon. So see here, invoking the energy of the sun and the moon. And also invoking the energy of the sun and the moon, you cut short, limit the time also. So Jata Vedo, according to Agni Deva, Ma Avaha, come to me. See, this is the power of Vedas. When you recite this, the vibrations of the Vedas, whether you understand the meaning or not, see, it has a particular vibration which reverberates in every cell of you, and your body cells align to it and form a powerful magnet in your body itself. And your mind is the one which is activating that magnet. Okay? And you attract more. Without doing that, simply saying, I am a magnet. And then next day you say, I kept on visualizing. Nothing has happened to me. How will it happen? What is your power? How much have you attracted? How much have you believed it? Right? As I told you, you're standing at the foothill and looking at the top hilltop and still not able to climb up the hill. What is pulling you down? Your own weight. Suppose you want to climb up the hill to go near the light and you want to climb up, but your own weight is pulling you down. So, what you have to do? Reduce your weight. So, what does it mean? I don't mean the physical weight. The weight here is your karmas. Why are you not getting the results? Because your karmas are pulling you down. So, you're not able to get the result. You're not able to reach the hilltop. You're not able to energize your own body. And that's why where you fail. So eradication of the karmas is again another part. Again, you'll have to revert back to what? Spirituality, the Vedic vibrations, and raising your vibration. See what a beautiful thing, because it's an integral part of our dharma. Like when you recite, at least listen to the Vedic chants. When you recite the name of Devatas, when you recite the Ashtalakshmi Stotram, when you recite the Mahalakshmi Stotram, when you recite Kanagadhara Stotram, see what happens? It creates a powerful vibration in you and you become a greater magnet and you climb up so that your karmas which are weighing you down, which are pulling you down, are eradicated. See, this is the trick. See, without that, wherever you go, whatever you do, it's going to work only for 1% or 2%. So, the mental strength, the physical strength, and cleansing of karmas, everything can happen because this is out of my experience, I have found out. So, I tell you for sure, the most powerful attractive energy can be brought about by following the Sanatana Dharma and focusing your mind on the Devatas who can come in and dwell inside you and also in your hearts, and you can attract. Only then you become a great magnet. Hope you understand the rule of law of attraction. Again, I tell you this secret. See, when you finish or complete any puja, we'll say, Guhyadi Guhya Goptri Tvam. You are the secret of all the secrets, because the secret is that the soul of everything is the divine energy, and the secret is tapping that secretive energy which is in every cell and which is everywhere in the universe. And this secret word also is from here only. Okay, so the secret of all secrets, see, that is the Guhyadi Guhya Goptri, Guhyadi Guhya Goptatvam, Grihanat Matrikritam Jamam, Siddhir Bhavatume Deva, or Siddhir Bhavatume Devi, Tat Prasadan Mayistira. So everything is prasad from divine. So learn to raise your vibration. So this call is for you, my dear. So come on, just don't chase behind, you know, the vanishing clouds. Chase behind divine. Sri Matre Namaha.